Alright, what's up everyone? Back with another product review from Kensui Fitness. This time it is their easy
I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.
Yo, this bar is so underrated. The fact that a lot of gyms or home gyms don't have something like this available to them blows my mind. Most likely, you're gonna have something like this. Very short collars, probably about 16 to 20 pounds, I think most of them are. And they're shorter. They're not able to be rackable like this. And that's the big plus in my opinion. The fact that this is rackable. And the fact that it weighs 35 pounds. It's almost the weight of a standard barbell, which makes this huge. This is a game changer for building arms specifically, in my honest opinion. So everything is similar to an Olympic barbell, okay? 28 millimeter in diameter, 35 pounds like I said. The collars seem to be almost close to an Olympic barbell. The knurls are the whole way. Like, you're never gonna wanna grab out here to use this bar. That's just stupid. So that's why the knurls are not, the knurling, sorry, is not all the way out here. But every area you could possibly wanna grab, the 1, the 2, the 3 grip, all knurled, which if you look at many other bars, the knurling always stops somewhere around here. This thing says it has a 500-pound weight capacity. Now, if you're purely doing this for curls, lighter presses with the different grips, extensions, shoulder presses, barbell rows, if you're using this for like lighter accessory work, this bar is gonna be great if you just don't wanna keep putting the strain on your wrist. Like I said, this bar is gonna be crazy. So it's got the 3 grip width. You can use this as a pressing bar to do any of the grips, the 1, the 2, the 3. I don't know why I keep saying it like that. I just made that up. It's gonna be very close to a neutral grip bar or a Swiss bar, in the sense that if you wanna use this grip, you just flip it around. If you wanna use this grip, you just make sure, and if you wanna do an underhand grip, I guess that's up to you as well, but you can grip like a normal barbell, except your wrists won't have to go inwards. They can turn out like this. One of the things I have to mention about Kensui Fitness, I don't see any other company offering this. They give you a 100-day trial. If you are not completely satisfied with your product, you send it back, they give you a refund. So I don't see how more people aren't buying this bar. Blows my mind. Now you might think that this is just a bar that's gonna help you build up your upper body. Using this for Zerchers can be really good because you just put your elbows in here and then the bar is never slipping. It's like a natural curve to put your elbows in for Zercher squats. Now, I wouldn't recommend deadlifting with this, but you could do rows. And if you're someone with just a straight bar for pull-ups, if you were to put this on top of your rack, you easily could turn this into a multi-grip pull-up bar. Will it be the best? Probably not. It might move around on you. However, in a pinch, this can help. Now, if you're only buying this so it could be a multi-grip pull-up bar, that's a mistake. So like I said, a 500-pound weight capacity on this thing. Normally, I like to say knock off 100 pounds because you're gonna be moving the weight dynamically. So as long as you're not doing curls and extensions with 400 pounds, this bar is going to be fine. But you can use it for lighter accessory work, like I said. But overall, this bar, I don't give this rating lightly. This bar is a 10 out of 10. I hate the fact that I can't have my extensions racked. It's not that big of a deal, but I also just like the balance point because the bar is so wide. This is great for barbell pullovers. Just so many things can be done with this bar. I give this bar, honestly, a 10 out of 10. If you'd like to pick up one of these for yourself, go to KensuiFitness.com. You can use my discount code if you like. I don't make too much money from them. Really, I don't. I just do these to help you save money. Strength Classroom gets you 10% off. Their shipping is always very quick. I've never had any problems with this company whatsoever. 10 out of 10 on this bar. If you like this bar, if you like this review, please drop a comment for me. It helps the video algorithm, all that good shit. And as always, have yourself a great day, ladies and gentlemen.